See on why we study biology. Of course, it will interest you to know that plant produces not only oxygen we breathe, but also is a very good source of our food and many beverages such as coffee and tea that we consume on a daily basis. And of course, through the knowledge of biology, we are exposed to different plant extracts, which are also used for spices, plant extracts which are also used for some other food production, which are useful and better for our consumption. Then, of course, biological study has been able to explore us into the different causative organisms like bacterial carrier, mosquito, and some other hosts, and also provide a way of which we can be able to prevent this. Another reason why we study biology is because through the knowledge of biology, we are able
now.
Still on the reason why we study biology, biological study helps to control pests or crops. Of course, through the knowledge of biology, we are able to know how to prevent some pests from attacking the crops. And some may ask, what then is a pest? Of course, as we go further, we shall go to look at the pest as an organism that is capable of causing damage to the crops of plant. Now, the knowledge of biology has been able to put some measures in place, like production of some chemical, pesticide, fungicide, and some other control measures. And of course, this has been able to help the population by increasing the productivity in the area of agriculture. And today, the life is very good for us, and we don't have shortage of food supply. Why? Because of the knowledge acquired from biology, which has influenced the society positively. Alright, having done that, let us now consider the branches of biology. It will interest you to know that the two main branches of biology are zoology and botany. Branches of biology. The two main branches of biology are, we have zoology and botany. And so may ask, what is zoology? This has to do with the study of animals. Involves the study of animals. And of course, botany involves the study of plants. And if you can recall effectively, you will not believe with me the reason why we look at biology initially as the study of plants and animals. Why? Looking at the two main branches of biology, which encompasses zoology, which involves the study of animals, and botany, which involves the study of what? Plants. And that is the reason why we define biology as the study of plants and what? Animals. Now, having known that, there are other branches of biology which include, we have ecology, we have anatomy, we also have morphology. Then, having said that, let us now consider what ecology means in regards to as a branch of biology. Ecology, of course, ecology has to do with the study of living organisms or living things in relation to its environment. Ecology has or involves the study of living organism. The study of living organism with relation to its environment. And of course, we also have another branch of biology called morphology. Morphology involves the study of external features of plant and animals. Of course, morphology has to do with the study of external feature of plant and animal, whereas ecology has to do with the study of living things with relation to its environment. We also have another branch of biology called anatomy and physiology. The area of anatomy has to do with the study of the internal structure of plants and animals, and physiology has to do with the study of the functional aspects of the internal structure of organism. That is, physiology deals with how the cells function, how the organs function, how the system functions, how the glands function, how different structure in the human's body function. That is the aspect of biology that we call physiology. That is the study of the function of the structure of living organism. We also have anatomy, which involves the study of internal structure of an organism.
Okay.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of today's class. If you love what I am doing, please always subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless you. Please stay safe and have a very good day.